This is question, okay? Now here they are asking you to find f of 2 over here, okay? Now let's substitute instead of x equals to 2. Now let's substitute x equals to 2 in this question, okay? Now here this will come f of 2 plus f of here 1 upon 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1. So f of minus 1 is equals to here 2 plus 1 is what? 3. Now here you can see here f of minus 1, okay? Now let's substitute here x equals to minus 1 in this, okay? In this relation. Now f of minus 1 plus f of half is equals to here 1 minus 1 become a 0. Okay. Now if I subtract these two, okay, now this and this gets cancelled. If I am subtracting, giving minus over here, then this will be here. Therefore f of 2, this gets cancelled, minus f of half equals to 3 minus 0 is become a 3. Now still I can see f of half, okay. Now for f of half, let's substitute x equals to half, okay. Now here this is f of half plus f of 1 minus half is half, okay. So it goes up, here it equals to 2, here is equals to here half plus 1 is what? 3 by 2, okay. Now you can check over here, okay. Now this, if I add these two equations, so this and this will get cancelled. If I add these two, so this and this gets cancelled. So what I have, twice f2 equals to what? 3 plus 3 by 2 is what? 3 to the 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Here 9 by 2. Therefore f of 2 equals to, I can send here 9 by 4. So they are asking f of 2, this is what? 9 by 4.